Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Growatt MIN 7000 TLX grid electricity inverter and you need to do a hard reset to the factory settings. You might want to do this for a couple reasons. If your inverter is not responding or frozen, or if it's not working or not connected, anything like that where you need to do some troubleshooting on it, a hard reset is a good fix. The other thing is, if you just want to set the inverter up in a new place and just delete and wipe all of the configurations and settings so you can get back to its out-of-box brand new settings, we can go ahead and do this. We just need to wake up the display and select Set Parameter. From there, we're going to get this menu. We're going to toggle down to Advanced. And then it's going to ask us for our password. Once we get past that, we get to the Advanced menu. We can select Reset Factory. It's going to ask us yes or no because we need to confirm. We're going to go to yes to confirm, obviously. And then after that, we're going to set OK, and it will reset to its factory default settings, at which point you can hook it up like as if it were a brand new inverter. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.